Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate the only way. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of high-quality unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a small pinch of fine sea salt. These simple components are the foundation for a truly rich and satisfying beverage. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect cup every time. Next, we'll combine our dry ingredients. In a small saucepan, add the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the pinch of salt. Whisk these together very well. This thorough mixing is super important because it helps prevent any lumps from forming later on, ensuring your hot chocolate is wonderfully smooth. An even distribution of these dry elements sets the stage for a perfectly balanced flavor profile. Now it's time to introduce the liquid. Gradually pour in 1 cup of your preferred milk into the saucepan with the dry mixture. Continue whisking constantly over medium heat. This steady stirring helps dissolve the cocoa and sugar completely, creating a smooth, uniform base. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, just until steam rises and it's hot, but be careful not to let it boil vigorously. Once your hot chocolate reaches that perfect temperature, remove it from the heat right away. Carefully pour the steaming, rich beverage into your favorite mug. For an extra special treat, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream, a few fluffy marshmallows, or some delicate chocolate shavings on top. Take a moment to savor the warmth and the deep, comforting flavor of your perfectly crafted hot chocolate. Enjoy every single sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.